Hi, here are the three Canarm high-performance fans, running on slow speed, then between speed to vacuum speed. And one's a downward pass separate solid state speed control, and one's an updraft. The one on updraft is on minimum speed, and one's on downdraft stalls on low speed range. Here are the two different all-state controls. One is for one an updraft and gray one for one and downdraft. The four reverse switch at gray one will run on downdraft but on reverse, and not at all but on forward. That one seems to have bad capacitor. It seems like a lot of Canarm are having bad capacitors after years of use. That one goes in out there and they don't wobble much. Anyways, thank you for watching. Keep them in comments. Rate and subscribe.